Hi, TCCOA. Race here. Thought I'd share with you today what I do for a living. I'm a CNC mill operator. CNC is computer numeric control, and this is the CNC mill, and this is the CNC vertical. This is the horizontal. The horizontal is named horizontal because, well, because it moves in the horizontal position, and I can get it to move here manually on the Z, and it moves back and forth and horizontally. And there's the two parts that I'll be machining. The vertical is another type of CNC mill. This one, the tool moves basically up and down. And here's the computer screen. This is where the codes are and various screens for various things. And I think I'm set to go here on this one. That's the A axis. There's these two parts. These are CCBs. They're a real pain in the neck. Tolerance on these are about 100 or 1,000ths. And I'll handle jog. These are 4-axis machines. That's the Z. It moves the tool up and down. That's one. Then the A axis spins round and round. And then you have the Y. The Y moves it forward and back. And the X, which moves from side to side. So, this one's all set. Let me double check, make sure I got the parts in right. And it looks good. I think we're all set to go to rock and roll. And that'll run through the entire program. The runtime on these are about, looks like about, well, that's not right. I think it's about 15 minutes or so. The horizontal over here, I'm going to be milling these. Here is the raw cast boxes. These are how they come from the foundry. And then I'm going to machine them as such. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this tool here. This is actually a mill. And then it has the inserts are attached to it with screws. And what I'm going to be doing is, the first step is going to be doing this cap face here. It's going to be machining that. The base pads have already been done. Those were done on the vertical. And now they're going into this machine, where I place them here, and I'm going to have to set the camera down for a second. Okay, now I've got the mill placed inside the spindle, and make sure, double check, because as anybody who's read my comments on the forum know that I do make mistakes, so I want to make sure that I have those parts bolted onto that fixture correctly. Otherwise, this can happen. Yeah, went right through the back. That happened yesterday. Dang. Anyway, on with the show. And a couple of buttons to push here. And then, oh, the green button. Now I'm gonna have to close this door because this is very aggressive. These parts are hot, they want them done quick. Got the feed rate turned up. We're making some chips. Just turn on the A there. The Lexan is old, so I know it's hard to see. We make all the parts here for the gearboxes. Steel bars come in of various sizes. As such, this is one that the end was cut off by the saw so that it's true. And then we make the gears. The gears we make here. We cut these on the lathe. And then the Gleasons cut the actual teeth. Here's another one. We make the shafts. The shafts come in and rod, such as this. These are turned on the lathe. We make the splines, the keyways, and they come in all different various sizes. This is one of the larger ones here. Larger box there. That's a very aggressive cut. That's one of the reasons that I wanted to share this is, well, some people might find it kind of interesting. That's my toolbox there, the red one. Oh! Some ZZ Top. What's this? Oh look, it's a Ford. It's a coolant. It's a Kennedy box here. Kennedys are probably the industry standard in machinist toolboxes. A machinist toolbox, as opposed to an automotive toolbox, has more drawers, and they're smaller. They're shallow because machinists have a lot of smaller tools that they use as opposed to a automotive toolbox. So you get more drawers. For various stuff. Micrometers, depth gauges, calipers. This is the micro flat where I do math. Check out the call-outs on the blueprints. That's the height gauge. Dang! Now it's doing a that's called a rougher. It's going to do this cap face bore here. But first we go in with what's called a rougher, and then after that a finishing bore goes in there. See it move on the X, move on the Y. I'm getting wet. Anyway, thought I'd share that and also put a face to my name. Yes, my name's Race. That actually is my name. And, well, I get a lot of enjoyment on the forum and talking to you folks. Trunk Monkey, Guitar Maestro, Thunder Chicken, Brandon, hey Brandon, and just Nail One. There's a whole lot of guys there that I really enjoy talking to. You guys have been a big help. Oh, Matt, how can I forget Matt? Grog6, hope I pronounced that right. Kind of miss having discussions with you. But anyway, just wanted to put a face and with the person that you guys communicate with sometime, and wanted to thank you all for your help with my Thunderbird. It's a work in progress, but I'm keeping it. Take care.